Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Dottie from Ignite Cinemas, and I have a quick question. Did you update your GH5 to the new 2.3 firmware? How do you like it? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you guys the autofocus test between the old 2.2 and the new 2.3 firmware update. Let's get it! So like many of you guys, I updated my GH5 to the 2.3 firmware update. And also, if you need a step-by-step tutorial on how to update your GH5, just click the card above, or I have a link in the description of a tutorial I released like last week. But back to the subject at hand. Now, before I updated my firmware, I did a split test of the autofocus before, and now that I have the new firmware, I did after. So let's get into that right now. Now hold up. Before I go any further, I also shot some killer cinematic scenes with the new firmware update using my Ronin M. So let's take a look at this right now. all this stuff was filmed in 4K. All the split tests and everything was filmed in 4K. However, with the update, you no longer have to shoot at a 179-degree shutter. It's recommended to do 180. Keep it 180 and everything will be perfect. This update was much appreciated, to a point where I love my GH5 again. During this test, I used a 12-35mm 2.8 Mark I lens, so I used some native glass. I have not tried the update with the Metabone speed adapter and my 18-35mm Sigma art lens. Haven't got around to it, but I heard that having native glass with the update works phenomenal, and I mean, judging by the split test that you saw earlier, you probably can agree. The face detect probably was the best mode, followed by the 225 area, which also did phenomenal, especially when I was trying to hold my card up to it. Now, none of them got the pen, obviously, when you saw in the footage, but they got the card and it was really quick. But all in all, this was a phenomenal update. I love the autofocus, and yeah, you know, like a quick story, I stopped using my GH5. Like, I was only using I didn't even use my GH5 as a primary camera. But because of this update, this just made me fall in love with this camera all over again. Like, this is what was supposed to come out the box when I purchased it in January. So I have a newfound love for the GH5. Now, I've been a Canon user. I'm actually filming this on a Canon, and I love autofocus. Like, let's be honest, we're in 2018. Yeah, I could do manual focus, but why put in the extra work? I'm all about the motto KISS. Keep it simple, stupid. And if I can simplify the process, then so be it with some autofocus. Especially when I'm filming with Ronin, I don't have time to do autofocus. I don't want to buy no adapter. I want it done for me. Big salute to Panasonic for this update. It really is a game changer. I encourage you guys to update it if you haven't already. And like I said, I made a tutorial on how to update your firmware. Click the link in the description or the card above. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, go ahead and slap that like button for me right now. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, as well as tutorials, unboxings, reviews, and vlogs, subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell button so you never miss a video ever. And as always, don't forget to ignite. Yeah, ignite. See ya.